carrying the promises you once made. Time quietly fades away our silhouettes, yet it cannot hold on to the feelings we had. The warmth remains, dreams still sway. Your smile lingers in the past. I try to embrace this lingering regret, but love has gone, leaving only emptiness. The night falls softly, like your gentle touch. Countless stars scatter, still leading me on. The wind hums softly in my ears, that familiar song. Yeah, in this endless crowd, you never turn back. Stars fall to earth, but you're nowhere to be seen. Leaving me alone, watching dreams fade away. Memories run too deep, the night stretches too far. So let me meet you once more in my dreams. We walked through countless days and nights, yet still couldn't find our peace. Your shadow lingers at the doorway, eyes filled with too many silent questions. After you turn away, who can hold on if love can only end in regrets? No matter how big this world may be, without you, I have nothing left. You still remember those cherished moments? We laughed and promised never to change, but time took away those words without a sound, leaving only me standing still.